Welcome to Herman Hits the Road, and I'm Ads, and this is Zoe. In this video, we're going to take a look at our previous videos, starting way back to when we first got Herman. He didn't even have a name back then.
No.
So we've got two videos to look through, and they're very short. This first one is our viewing of Herman. So the idea at the time wasn't going to make it public or anything. We were going to go around with the camera, and then when we got home, when we were still thinking about it, we were going to take a look at the video and say, oh look, remember that bit? That was good, wasn't it? And that was bad, and all that kind of thing. So this is that video, and we haven't seen it, so you're going to get our first reaction after 20 years. Can you believe that? So all things are newer. Zoe's newer. I'm newer. The camera is different than we're using now, but everything's changed. So let's take a look and watch our first Herman video.
There he is.
Right-hand drive Heimer, our registration 98. Almost fell over.
Hasn't changed.
It hasn't changed, no. What hit there? What am I doing?
Looks a lot newer, doesn't
Still,
it?
we're still new to
Locker there.
motorhoming now, aren't we?
A bit shaky
Oh,
as
God,
well.
yeah.
Terrible
Roof ladder.
videoing.
Look how clean it is.
There's your ski
Oh,
locker.
blimey, I'm getting something else.
No green stuff, no mouldy
And
stuff.
the awning. Haven't seen any dampness on it. That's another locker. Probably a leisure battery, I guess.
No,
Gas
it's not the
goes
leisure
in there.
battery. That was another locker.
Well, there she is. Oh my goodness.
Hmm?
20 years.
Oh, we don't
ago.
use that, do we?
That's for splashes and
hook.
things, isn't it? Oh, big roof, sunroof thing, whatever you call it.
Whatever you
Look
say.
how look at the colour of
Dining
the.
area.
Look at Zoe.
Zoe, yeah.
Shorter hair then.
She adds to the feature.
Kitchen area. It's a 3 gas hob.
Yeah. That's not changed, is it? Of course.
No, looks
No.
cleaner.
I've noticed the seats
Water.
look more colourful now. They must have
Sink
faded
and
over
draining
time.
board.
Everything's faded over time,
Oh,
isn't
2
it?
sinks
Yeah.
rather. Oh no draining board.
Oh, we soon sorted that out.
Yeah.
They don't
Got all these lockers here.
normally have the draining boards, do they?
I'm in the driving area now. It's
Wow.
48, almost 49,000 miles.
And when we got home, as soon as we pulled
That is in miles
into the
per
drive,
hour.
as it were, it hit 50.
And how many's Herman done now?
Oh, I don't know.
Apartment here. What's in there? What's in there? Fuses. Ah.
No, don't touch that. I know what it is now.
And
It's not the fuses.
this one.
That's quite handy.
It's where our our rear suspension
that's where I put my
is
water.
situated now.
Oh, your water.
Have you got a cup holder? Oh my god.
You have now, haven't you?
Yeah, got a cup
Stereo
holder now.
thingy up there.
Of course, a white carpet. We don't see that very often
Instructions,
anymore.
the
We've got it
driver
covered
passenger
because it
door.
reflects the light
You can
too
see it reflects, can't
Yeah.
you?
much. Well, LED bulbs now.
Oh, I see. Let's go into the bathroom.
Well, I've got an annoying bag sitting there.
It's quite a large shower.
Hasn't changed, has it?
Smells
No.
quite pleasant.
Well,
Storage in here. Oh, look at
we
these
saw a little bit of
drawers.
me then.
Oh, great.
We keep our toothbrush and toothpaste.
What's that?
Zoe's deflatting.
Storage there.
Those what?
Lots of storage in there.
Lots
Oh,
of
in there, look.
storage.
Storage everywhere.
I love you,
And you got these little things.
We hardly use those, do we?
Yeah.
Oh, that hasn't changed. That's not even our stuff.
Some sort of rack.
A rack.
I'm in the bathroom now. Oh, you can see me. Look at that.
Barely.
Just about you fit in there, don't you?
Trousers am I
Those
wearing
funny
there?
lights.
Well, they're the old
Lights.
roof lights.
Yeah, the old roof lights. They were opaque.
Vents.
Somebody mowing.
That's a locker into the ski locker. Window, blind,
Cupboard there.
cupboard. Oh, I didn't actually catch my foot on it this time. Then the ladder.
We
Might
don't
comes
keep the
on
ladder in
automatically.
there anymore.
Place for
No.
documents.
Oh, I don't think we have we? Ever?
The fridge.
Squeaky.
Doesn't squeak now.
Water.
You must have
Ring
fixed
on my
that. Oh, it's a bit grubby in there, isn't it?
And then here, it would be funny if I wasn't recording. It's got a
Juddery.
Lift up.
cushion
Let's have a look.
and something for the television. Right, you can put a
Yes,
microwave.
That's quite nice, isn't it?
Filming hasn't changed really.
No. You still do the same thing. don't
Yeah.
you?
The bed, of course.
Does
Very
it
simple.
squeak?
Oh, see, yeah,
Like
see
the
how
other one?
it is because we just fixed this.
Tradition, isn't it? Because everyone had.
There was a little bit of a squeak.
Oh.
Do we put it back up? That was the viewing video. It's a bit juddery and whatever, but it was only for
Yes.
us. It wasn't for. And of course, it doesn't show you everything, does it?
And then we were going to go home, weren't we, and have a think about
Yeah,
it. But then
we
we
watched it.
decided we'll go to the pub. Wasn't it? Was it that day? To have a little.
I don't know.
And then we went back, didn't we? The same day.
No, I don't think we did it straight away.
Oh, okay.
I don't think we did. Anyway, so our next video, so we will go back and like Zoe was saying, we buy the motorhome. Didn't have a name then.
No.
Buy the motorhome, take it home, and I think it was like the weekend after we
very
go
quick.
away in
So excited, weren't we?
in our new motorhome. And the video that we recorded a video which we were going to make, well, we did make public, our first trip away in Herman. But yeah, anyway, so here we go. Let's take a little watch of this one. Hopefully the videoing is a bit better.
Here's our new motorhome, and we're currently at Holmesy in New Forest. We can't decide what to call it. Herman, Hugo, Dave, Heidi.
Dave. Can you imagine if it was
Very
called
busy
Dave?
this weekend, as you can see.
Nicely spread out, isn't it?
Was it a bank holiday?
Might have
Very
been.
busy, wasn't it?
I think it's the only time we've ever been to
Now we
Holmesy.
have the awning out.
Because of this reason, it's so busy.
Fantastic.
Straight though, darling.
Yeah, you're not supposed to have them straight, darling.
And here we have the inside. There's the kitchen. Plenty of space up there.
It's another look round.
Old cushions.
A dining
yeah.
area
I've still
where
got
the table
those.
can be removed. We have a small table as well. And a view looking forward. There's the bed that falls down above the seats. Bathroom area. Nice and large. Plenty of space for a shower.
Oh, I'm getting into that. So this is
Local visitors.
a bit of a shot
There's the
of
entrance
the,
to the
New
campsite.
Forest. Oh, there he comes.
Have we decided on his name by then?
I don't know. I don't think so. By the time we come back from here is, I think this is only one of probably 5 shots we've ever got of Herman moving. There he is.
You look very proud, Edsy.
You can't really
Chin
see
in
me.
the air.
In Lyndhurst at the moment. And there's our lovely Heimer on the left.
No, we haven't got a name for it yet.
Ah.
Oh. So they are so short, those videos. I thought they were a bit
Yes.
longer. Yeah, that's it. Our very first videos of Herman the Heimer. And our very first experience in camping out in him. It all went...
We didn't have any problems, did we? We didn't have
No.
any mishaps or anything.
Well, at the time, it was only, what... doing some maths, 10 years old?
Ah,
12 years
okay.
old, something like that?
Yes, because if we've had him
Yeah.
10
So...
20, yes.
It's in good shape then. Obviously, since then we've had to replace a wing. We've done
Yes.
all the suspension, all the brakes,
Quite a lot. isn't
replaced
it?
the
It's not Herman
windscreen.
anymore, is it?
No, it's a Frankenstein. No, it's not Frankenstein. But anyway, if you enjoyed that, please do let us know in the comments section. And maybe, if you haven't already, you could subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Really would like to know how you think of these videos, because this might be, we might go through all of our other old videos and just watch them back again. See our reaction to them, really. See how we've changed. Until next time, thank you very much, and goodbye. That's it.
This is when we find her hasn't recorded.
Yeah, this is...
Actually, when I have these ear things in, I feel a bit... makes me